Your body already knows how to repair itself. It's been doing it your entire life. Every cut that closed, every muscle that rebuilt after a hard workout, like every bone that had to heal, that wasn't a pill. That was your biology running a repair program it's more sophisticated than anything that we can manufacture. So here's the question worth asking. If your body carries its own repair system, why does that nagging knee never quite heal? Or why does that shoulder still ache 18 months later? And why did your elbow become something that you've decided to, quote, just manage? Well, the answer isn't that your body forgot how to heal. It's that the signal isn't reaching the tissue that needs it. And that's exactly what regenerative medicine is designed to fix. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dr. Steve Jones. I'm founder of Revive Longevity Center. I'm a board certified physician specializing in longevity medicine, helping high performing men and women over 40 restore their strength, clarity, energy, and edge through advanced diagnostics, hormone optimization, and personalized longevity protocols. So today I want to walk you through regenerative medicine, specifically PRP, or platelet-rich plasma. Let's talk about what it is, how it works at the tissue level, and where the evidence is strong, where it's oversold, and like how we can use it as part of a complete optimization strategy. So let's start with the real problem. Somewhere in your 40s or 50s, you probably noticed something shift. Those little injuries that used to resolve in 2 weeks started to take a couple of months. A tweaked knee became a knee that you think about every time you take the stairs. And if you're someone who trains, if you like to lift or run or ski or play ball, you've probably felt the quiet negotiation that starts happening between what you want to do and what your joints are going to allow you to do. Well, here's why that is actually happening biologically. The tissues that take the most punishment, the tendons, the ligaments, and the cartilage, are also the tissues with the worst blood supply. Muscle, by contrast, is rich with blood flow. And that's why muscles tend to heal pretty quickly. But a tendon, the cartilage inside a joint, very limited circulation, and blood flow is how your body delivers its repair crew. The platelets, the growth factors, those signaling molecules that orchestrate the healing process. So when these tissues get injured or they slowly degenerate, the repair signal arrives weakly or barely at all. The damage accumulates faster than the repair. So that's not a character flaw. That's not you just getting old. It's a delivery problem. So here's where traditional care falls short. You know the sequence because you've probably done this once or twice. You need some rest and some ibuprofen. And then comes a cortisone shot. And then we'll get back when it's bad enough for surgery. Now, each of those definitely has a place. But notice what they have in common. None of them are going to help the tissue heal. Anti-inflammatories can quiet the pain signal. Cortisone quiets it more aggressively, and repeated cortisone injections can actually weaken the tendon and cartilage over time. So you feel better while the underlying tissue continues to worsen. So you're not really fixing the problem, you're muting the alarm and maybe even making things worse. So there's an enormous gap between take something for the pain and let's replace the joint. So regenerative medicine needs to live in that gap. Okay, so what is PRP exactly? It's really remarkably straightforward. We draw some blood in the clinic. It's like the same as a lab draw. We spin it in a centrifuge and that separates it into different layers. Then we isolate the layer that's really dense with platelets. Those are typically concentrating them several times above what's normally circulating in your blood system. Now, most people think that platelets just help cells stop bleeding, right? It's true, but that's probably like 1/3 of their job. Platelets are essentially these biological first responders. They carry a payload of growth factors. They have signaling proteins that tell your body to do things like recruit repair cells or to build new blood vessels over here or lay down some new collagen over there or remodel this tissue. So when we inject concentrated platelet plasma precisely into injured tissue, like in the tendon attachment, in the joint, at the ligament, we're doing something elegant. We're taking your body's own repair signal, We're amplifying it, and then we're delivering it directly to the tissue that couldn't receive it on its own. So we're not introducing a foreign drug. We're not just masking a symptom. We are restoring a signal. And if you've watched this channel, you know that that's the theme of just about everything that we do here, whether it's hormones or peptides or now tissue repair. The problem in midlife is rarely that your biology is just broken. It's that the signals have gone quiet. And our job is to turn them back up. At Revive, PRP is never a standalone gimmick though, right? Like it's going to have to be part of a complete picture. And that's where our approach may differ from clinics that are just selling injections. Because what I've seen over the 25 years that I've practiced family medicine is that the person whose knee won't heal, they often have more going on than just a knee problem. Sometimes their testosterone has drifted low, which can impair tissue repair. Sometimes their sleep is fragmented, and that definitely hurts their recovery. Chronic inflammation for like metabolic dysfunction, that keeps the tissue in the body in like this low-grade state of inflammation and breakdown. So you can inject the most perfectly prepared PRP in the world into a body that's hormonally depleted or sleep deprived and inflamed, and you're going to get a fraction of the benefit. The injection delivers the signal, but your overall biology determines how well your body can answer it. So that's why before we ever talk about a procedure, we should look at the full picture, like your hormones, your inflammatory markers, your metabolic health, your recovery capacity. We optimize the terrain, then we deliver the signal. And that combination is where the results live. All right, and what do those results look like in real life? Well, they look like getting back under the bar without bracing your shoulder for what's going to happen. It's finishing a long day on your feet without your knee being the loudest thing in the room. It's getting on the floor with your grandkids and then being able to get back up without like a strategy section on how to do it. It's sleeping through the night because a throbbing joint isn't waking you up at 3 o'clock in the morning. And for a lot of my patients, it's simply this: their body stops becoming the limiting factor on their life. Now, let me give you the honest caution. You deserve a straight answer, not a sales pitch here. First, PRP is not magic. And anyone who tells you that it's going to fix everything is just selling something. The evidence is strongest for specific conditions: mild to moderate knee osteoarthritis, chronic tendon problems like tennis elbow or patellar tendonitis, certain ligament injuries as well. So for advanced bone-on-bone arthritis, PRP is not going to regrow that joint. And I'll tell you that like straight to your face. Second, quality and technique on this procedure, they matter enormously. How the blood is processed, the concentration of the platelets, whether the injection is being placed precisely into the target tissue, these variables are why one person swears by PRP and the other one says it did nothing. It's a real medical procedure. It's not a spa treatment. It requires proper evaluation, proper technique, and honest patient selection. And then third is timing. Timing and expectations really matter. PRP initiates a healing process. That process is going to take at least weeks, possibly even a few months, because that's how long it takes tissue to remodel. If someone promises overnight results, you should walk out. So one practical note: unlike much of what we do at Revive, this one is going to require you to be in the room with me. We offer PRP in person at our clinic in Graham, Texas. So this is for those of you who are local or willing to travel for it. It's surprising to me, but many do, and we build it into a broader visit if you'd like, a full evaluation, all of our advanced testing, and we can do the procedure in one trip. So look, all of this reflects how we practice medicine at Revive. It's what we call the Revive method: discover, optimize, and perform. We discover first. We do a lot of advanced testing here. I like to see a full biological picture. I want to understand not just the joint that hurts, but the body that it lives in. Then we optimize hormones, sleep, nutrition, inflammation, and then when indicated, these targeted regenerative procedures like PRP. All that stuff then working together instead of in isolation. And then we focus on performing, because the goal was never to get a quieter knee. The goal is a body that lets you train and build and lead and live at full capacity. And we track that like with real data over time. Okay, here's what I believe. The next era of medicine isn't going to be defined by better ways to mask symptoms. It's going to be defined by working with your biology, restoring cellular signals, rebuilding tissue itself, extending your years to be strong and capable, not just years that you're alive and just breathing. Regenerative medicine is probably one of the clearest examples and early examples of that shift. Instead of asking, how do we make this stop hurting? We're finally asking the better question, how can we help this heal? You've probably spent decades building your life. Your body should be the asset that carries you through the best chapters of it. It shouldn't be the obstacle that you have to negotiate with every morning. So look, if you're ready to stop guessing and start optimizing, the first step is a discovery call. You can book that directly at revivelc.health. There's no pressure with that. It's just a real conversation about where you are and where you want to go.